22 May. I think it's about 9:30 a.m. We have the Jiangtian Modified Cook It and the Jiangtian standard size fun panel. We got the standard 4-quart Pyrex bowl set up. I don't know if I can show you. They have the 460 plates in the bottom to raise them up. We have 2 hours worth of lead time. We are not going to rotate them or anything. We're just leaving them out and coming back in 2 hours and checking on them. So thanks for coming along. Another beautiful day. Shame not to take advantage of it. We'll see you. Okay, we're way overshot by 15 minutes. We have left for a half hour here. So it's just over 2 hours. That's definitely wow. The more I use this Modified Cook It, the more I like it. Oh, wow. Heard a little sizzle there. I better get that hot pad the way that was growling at me there. What's that? Yeah, he just went by. Yep. All right. 180, 190, 95. It's maybe 198, 197-ish. Not quite as brown as I'd like it to be, but it's still pretty decent. Okay. A little picture of that too. Alright. Well, let's get this thermometer out and cooling down. Take some clips back on there, it's just easier to carry in the house that way. This tripod is about the noisiest tripod I think that exists. Try to tighten it up. Maybe my videos would not be quite so noisy. Holy smokes, is that thing warm? All right, it sure smells good. Where is that thermometer? All right, so the thermometer has cooled. We're just over 100 there. Okay. Got my hot pad. Alright, let me make sure you guys can see it. $190, 95. 200. 200. Picture that one too. All right, so I'll get these in and on the cooling rack. Look how that thing's dropping. Don't take long, does it? We get the lid off. All right, 20. Man, what is it? The 22nd today? All right, we'll bring it in and take a look at the underside.